Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a tour of the Pagani Museum. Now I did do a tour of the Pagani factory as well. It's open to the public. I really recommend it, but I couldn't take my camera in there. Now we're just going to kind of go through the timeline of the different Paganis, starting off with this car, Nona, the grandmother. That is Zonda number 1, kind of. We will come back to that car later. Really interesting history. Now we move over to the 2002 Zonda S. Nice spec, blue, white interior, classic. Over to the 2005 Zonda F. F stands for Fangio. Fangio was a Argentinian race driver, really helped Pagani in the early years. So this car is essentially like a tribute to him. Now we move over to what is, in my opinion, one of the greatest cars ever made, the Pagani Cinque Roadster from 2010. Look at that interior, absolutely beautiful. And that roof scoop could really be in an art gallery, but it's on this car. Now we move over to a slightly different car, a Zonda R from 2007. This has a different engine to the rest of the Zondas. This has a engine from a Mercedes CLK GTR race car, 6-litre engine. Now we skip forward quite a few years to 2020. This is a Pagani Huayra Imola. This car has a list price of 5 million euros. Quite expensive. Has a lot of power too, 830 horsepower. Epic car, really. Now we move back to the Zonda R. This car, when new, was only 1.3 million euros plus tax. 740 horsepower, pretty light, 1,070 kilograms, and did a Nürburgring lap time of 6 minutes 30 seconds. So it's rapid. And it has a very nice interior. Now back to the Cinque. So this car was only 1.1 million euros plus tax when new. Now they're worth about 15 million euros, and this particular car was insured for 20 million euros. It's got 760 horsepower, weighs 1,210 kilograms dry. And again, I really like the interior, the exterior. What a legendary car. Back to the F. This was even cheaper. This was only 470,000 euros when it was new. Had 600 horsepower, did a Nürburgring time of 7 minutes 33 seconds. Now to the S, even cheaper, about 350,000 euros when it was new. 555 horsepower. This didn't have carbon ceramic brakes. But yeah, it was essentially one of the first cars. Really like it. There's a model of the Cinque. Now we come back to Nona. This car has done 1 million kilometers. It started out in life with 390 horsepower 6-litre V12. Now it's got a 760 horsepower 7.3-litre V12. Same engine as it's in Lewis Hamilton's Pagani Zonda. And that car has essentially been the test bed for all Zondas. Now we move over to a 2011 Pagani Huayra. This particular car was starred in the movie Transformers. It was a character called the Stinger, I think. It doesn't actually transform, but if you're into that kind of thing, that is the car from the movie. Again, a lot of power in that car, 750 horsepower. Now finally, there's the Utopia, the new Pagani. Thank you all for watching.